Want to schedule dedicated time for work, studying, or other important tasks? Windows Clock includes focus sessions that can help you create structured periods of focused work and plan breaks. In this guide, I'll show you how to schedule focus time in Windows Clock in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. Once the app opens, choose Focus Sessions from the navigation menu. Next, choose how much time you want to dedicate to focused work. Select a suitable focus duration based on the task you're planning to complete. For example, you might choose a shorter session for a quick task or a longer session for deep work. To make your schedule more manageable, configure the available break options. Regular breaks can help divide a longer work period into smaller, more manageable sessions. Choose the break settings that fit your workflow. If Microsoft To Do integration is available on your system, you can select a task to work on during your focus session. Choose one specific task instead of trying to handle everything at once. This makes your focus time more structured and easier to manage. Once your focus duration, breaks, and task are ready, start the focus session. Windows Clock will begin the countdown and show your remaining focus time. Use this period to concentrate on the selected task and avoid unnecessary distractions. For better productivity, use focus sessions consistently throughout your day. You can create a routine with dedicated periods for studying, writing, planning, or other important work. Having a predictable focus routine can make it easier to stay organized. And that's how to schedule focus time in Windows Clock in 2026. By choosing focused work periods, planning breaks, and connecting tasks when available, you can create a simple routine for managing your time more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.